Hey everyone, it's M. Farhan, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's close to my heart: building wealth from scratch. In this video, I'm breaking down 10 proven ways to build wealth, even if you're starting with absolutely nothing. Whether you're looking to achieve financial freedom, buy your dream house, or just want to grow your savings, these tips will set you on the right path. So let's jump right in. Alright, let's kick things off with the foundation of any solid financial plan: budgeting. Think of a budget like a roadmap for your money. It helps you track where your income is going and identify areas where you can potentially cut back and save more. The key is to be honest with yourself about your spending habits. There are tons of budgeting apps out there that can help you track your expenses effortlessly. Or, if you're more old school like me, a simple spreadsheet works wonders. The important thing is to find a system that works for you and stick to it. Remember, you can't manage what you don't track. Now that you've got your budget in check, it's time to put your money to work for you through the power of investing. One of the best ways to dip your toes into the investing world is with low-risk options like index funds or ETFs. These are basically baskets of stocks that track a specific market index, like the S&P 500. The beauty of index funds and ETFs is that they offer instant diversification, meaning your money is spread across hundreds of different companies. And the best part? You can start investing in index funds and ETFs with just a small amount of money. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Let's face it, wouldn't it be amazing to earn money while you sleep? Well, that's the beauty of passive income. One popular way to generate passive income is through real estate. One option is house hacking, where you buy a multi-unit property, live in one unit, and rent out the others. Another avenue for passive income is dividend stocks. When you invest in dividend-paying stocks, you essentially become a part owner of a company that shares its profits with its shareholders. This means you earn a regular stream of income simply by holding on to those stocks. And the beauty is, you can reinvest those dividends to buy even more shares, creating a snowball effect of passive income growth. Okay, let's talk about debt. That dreaded four-letter word. Debt can be a major roadblock on your journey to building wealth because it eats away at your income and keeps you trapped in a cycle of owing money. But the good news is, it's never too late to break free from debt and reclaim control of your finances. A popular method is the snowball method, where you focus on paying off your smallest debt first, regardless of interest rates. Another effective approach is the avalanche method, where you prioritize paying off your debt with the highest interest rates first. Start by making small, manageable changes to your spending habits and redirect that extra cash towards your debt. Remember, every little bit counts. Saving money doesn't have to mean living a life of deprivation. It's all about making mindful choices and finding creative ways to stretch your dollar further. One of my favorite ways to save money is by cooking more meals at home. By cooking at home, you control the ingredients, portion sizes, and overall cost of your meals. Another easy way to save money is by being a savvy shopper. Look for discounts, use coupons, and take advantage of sales and promotions. And don't forget about the power of comparison shopping. Before making a big purchase, take the time to compare prices from different retailers online or using price comparison apps. Remember, every dollar you save is a dollar you can invest or put towards your financial goals. Knowledge is power, especially when it comes to your finances. The more you understand about personal finance, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions about your money. Start by reading books and articles from reputable financial experts. Podcasts are another fantastic way to absorb financial knowledge on the go. Remember, financial literacy is an ongoing journey. The more you learn, the more confident you'll become in managing your money and making smart financial decisions that align with your goals. Imagine a life where you have the freedom to do what you want, when you want, without being chained to a 9-to-5 job. That's the power of financial independence. It's about having the financial means to live life on your own terms. Now, achieving financial independence is a journey, not a destination. It requires setting clear financial goals and creating a solid plan to achieve them. One popular approach is the FIRE movement: financial independence, retire early. Whether or not FIRE aligns with your goals, the key takeaway is the importance of intentional living and aligning your spending with your values. By being mindful of your spending habits and making conscious choices about where your money goes, you can free up more resources to invest in your future and accelerate your path to financial independence. Building lasting wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. One of the most effective long-term wealth-building strategies is investing in assets that have the potential to appreciate in value over time. Real estate is a classic example. Another powerful wealth-building tool is the stock market. By investing in a diversified portfolio of stocks, you can participate in the growth of the overall economy and potentially build significant wealth over time. Remember, building wealth takes time. Stay patient, stay focused, and never underestimate the power of consistency in building lasting wealth. Who says you need a ton of money to make more money? Even if you're on a tight budget, there are plenty of ways to leverage your skills, interests, and resources to generate extra income. One popular option is to tap into the gig economy. Platforms like Uber, Lyft, DoorDash, and Instacart offer flexible opportunities to earn money on your own schedule. Another avenue is to monetize your skills and passions through freelancing. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Guru connect freelancers with clients looking for specific services. Remember, every extra dollar you earn is an opportunity to invest, save, or pay down debt. Taking control of your finances is empowering. It's about making conscious choices about your money, aligning your spending with your values, and building a secure financial future for yourself and your loved ones. Financial empowerment starts with education. Don't be afraid to ask for help when you need it. Whether it's consulting with a financial advisor, talking to a trusted friend or family member, or seeking guidance from reputable online resources, there's no shame in reaching out for support. Surround yourself with a supportive community, whether it's online or offline, and learn from others who have achieved financial success. Financial empowerment is an ongoing process. There you have it, 10 proven ways to build wealth from scratch, even if you're starting with absolutely nothing. It's about making smart decisions consistently, leveraging proven strategies, and staying committed to your financial goals. The journey may have its ups and downs, but trust me, the rewards are well worth it. So, what are you waiting for? Start implementing these strategies today and watch your wealth grow. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more financial advice.